All right, what's going on, everybody? We are back with another one of our videos. We are on a ride. It's a Sunday. We're on a ride for OTRs. It's a benefit ride, so we were invited to come out and just show support and just be out in the bike community. That's what it's all about. So we got our guy here, Infinite Rider. We got AC Jacobs somewhere around here. So we just gonna dig in and just go have a little fun and see what kind of footage we can get today. You got Infinite Rider with his, what do you call that little thing on your head, man?
Huh?
What do you call that on your head?
Bakalava, balaclava.
Who? Let's just call it a bonnet. A bonnet.
Yeah, we'll call it a bonnet.
A bonnet.
I'm cool with it being a bonnet. Just make sure my helmet don't get no sweat.
What's going on, bro? Yeah. It's a nice barbershop. Yeah. Why not? AC Jacobs.
Yeah, like the bridge, right over the bridge.
We have a safety meeting one time. Safety meeting. Just
This ain't the last one. It's the last one on the table. Yeah. Y'all enjoy yourselves?
yeah.
Yeah. It's a good time. Yep. It's a good time.
Now I gotta make sure. Now I gotta make sure it's going far up.
Yeah, he tried it. Your phone's behind the thing before it gets hung. It'll crank up. He tried it. It clicked over.
How's it going?
Good.
Not too bad, man.
Nice day for a ride.
Yeah. Sunday fun day, right?
Espero que suelten esos carros.
Sí, yo me acuerdo que tuve un día porque me tenía así al
blockers. Can everyone that's blocking raise your hand? This day, thank you for the freedom that we have to ride the motorcycles. Thank you for the opportunity to come here. Bless this event for Johnny D. Let's just remember him and everything that we're doing today. Let's glorify you in our actions.
15 minutes. They said they were doing at least 45. That ain't the group.
All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed that leaving out content. So I didn't think it all the way through. I said, hey, I thought it'd be a good idea to get some footage of the group leaving. Well, on my way back to the bike, on Curtis' way back to the bike, they left us. So, oh well, we knew where the ending point was. So we just what's going on, buddy? What you ride, man? What you ride?
I came here.
With your pops?
My dad's.
You did? Okay.
My dad's bike isn't here because it's low on oil, so
Okay.
he used his friend's
Okay.
street bob.
Did you enjoy the ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But on the way here, I was on his friend's bike.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 11.
11. What age did you start riding?
I'd say around 8.
8? Okay. I started at 3.
Oh wow.
Yep. Yeah, 3 years old. My
You
dad.
mean, like on the bike,
Yeah,
or
on-
like on your own bike.
On the bike with my dad.
Oh, my own, on his bike.
Yeah.
My dad.
Yeah.
I'd start maybe like 9 because he sold it when I was born.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I started at 3 years old with my pops on his bike.
That's awesome.
Yeah, keep riding, man. Be safe, man. You'll be able to get your own bike soon.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Soon I'm gonna try to get a Kawasaki 300.
There you go. All right. All right, be safe. Stay in school, man. All right, so had a little guy come up and talk to me, and had to take time to chop it up with him, man. That's where I started as well. 3 years old, pops put me on the bike, and I've been riding and have the love and joy of motorcycles ever since. So took a few moments and talked to the guy. He was 11 years old. I'm sorry, he's 11 now. I think he was 8 or 9 when he started riding, or something like that. I think he's chopped it up with him. It's always great to see young, inspiring bikers. But yeah, so we're gonna walk out about and see what's going on and get it in. Hey, as always, Alvin left us.
My bike is newer and faster.
So steering column came in. And so order food, order a battery.
I need beer. I ain't got to work with. I need a beer and burger.
She got 1,500 bucks. Yeah. She made it for Okay, eat first.
That's cool, though. What's going on, brother?
What's up, brother?
You doing all right?
Good to see you, man. Yeah, thanks for being here today.
Hey, no, definitely.
What's up, fam? This is Adam from Foundation Moto and Old Town Revival, and we're out here at Murdo Made Huntersville today. Our signature Sambuco's lunch lap landed here just a few minutes ago, probably 80 bikes deep, all in love and support and honor of Johnny D. Yeah, massive community turnout today, guys. And what we've got going on now that the lunch lap here has landed, community guys and the involvement's getting in with some nice food from Moo and Brew. All proceeds from Moo and Brew go to Johnny D's GoFundMe. And then what you're seeing as well is a huge amount of auction items that a lot of companies and brands and personal people in the community have gone above and beyond to donate a lot of items out here today. Well worth thousands of dollars of items. I hope people really lean into what we've got going on out here today for Johnny D, and I can't thank everybody enough for coming out.
So I thought I was recording, but I didn't hit the button.
That helps when you hit the button.
Hit the button. I gotta hit the button. So yeah, there you guys have it. This all was done for a cause, a great meetup. Everybody fell in. No, we're gonna go in there, man. We're gonna check it out. Why not?
Because I heard this is where they physically make everything.
Okay.
So yeah, I definitely want to go in.
We're gonna check it out, man. But I'm enjoying it so far, man. The atmosphere, just being around bikes and hearing the rumble and being around the culture.
And the heat and the sweat.
Nah, it's not that bad, man.
Like the heat. You like heat.
Yeah, gotta have heat. Gotta have heat.
I see you got a lot of success here. I know.
Shut up, Mark! You did not.
And this guy.
So what?
Get you a picture. Stand right here. We'll get a picture of you.
I do need to upgrade my headlight. They might start to fog up. I like it.